Yes, good morning, children. Yes, in the last class, what is completed? Excuse, excuse. That poem is finished. Okay. Did you write all the things? Hmm? Okay, don't worry. I will send you PDF file regarding on poem, excuse. Okay. In this class, I am going to start a new chapter. Before going to start, I will ask some questions. I hope you have to give the answers to my question. Okay. So, how many months in the year? In the year, total how many months? How many months in a year? Just tell me anyone. 12. Yes, of course. How many months in a year? 12 months in a year. So tell me what are those? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, these are what months of the year. Let's come to the days. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? In 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. How many days? 7 days are there. Come on, tell me. Monday, initially Monday, don't take Monday in the beginning. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know? These are days of week. Start from Monday. Sorry, Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are days of week. Come on, tell me which day? Which is the second day? Which is the second day in 7 days? Yes, Monday. Which day is holiday? Yes. Which day is holiday here? Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Do you come to school on Sunday? Just tell me. Do you come to school Sunday? When do you come to school? From Monday to Saturday. Is it right? On these days you come to school from Monday to Saturday. It means 6 days you are coming to school. But Sunday is holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Is it understand? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So Monday ಲಿಂದ Saturday ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. But Sunday ಏನಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Sunday is a holiday. Is it understand? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So you now tell me after Sunday which day comes? Sunday after which day comes? Yes, which day comes after Sunday? Sunday ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ವಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, of course. ಯಾವುದು? Monday. What is the spelling of Monday? Monday. Monday. Yes. ರವಿವಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾನುವಾರ ನಂತರ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ Monday. Is it right? On this day you will come to the school. After Sunday you come to school on Monday. Monday to Saturday, that much. Okay. So here Monday, yes, morning. Your second lesson is what? Monday morning. Which is your second lesson? Monday morning. It means what? ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ. Sunday you took the rest. After Saturday whole day you took the rest. ಶನಿವಾರ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇಡೀ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಶನಿವಾರ ಆಯ್ತಾರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಡೀ ದಿವಸ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಂಡೇಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಂಡೇಲಿಂದ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಮಂಡೇಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? Somebody children are coming happily, somebody children are not coming to school happily. Is it right? So left to them. Here Monday morning. The lesson is here. What is the lesson name here? Monday morning. Okay. Let's see what's happened on Monday morning. ಏನಾಯಿತು Monday morning? Okay. So little children often want to stay home from school. We often see little kids with shining morning faces going unwilling to school. Some of them can be seen crying when they are bundled off in their school rickshaws or vans. It is quite natural because little kids don't want to leave the capsula of their mothers. But some children carry this habit even when they grow older. They always want to stay home from the school. They invite all the sorts of excuse and lies. Here, what's happened? You are also children. You are also children, not a young person. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಸಣ್ಣರೇ. ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ತಾನೆ. Yes, little children often want to stay home from the school. It means what? So ಸಣ್ಣವರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, you are not ready to go to school. You want to stay in home. You want to stay in home. You don't like to go to school. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ಟನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್. Often means what? Again and again the children want to stay home, not go to the school. Often means again and again. It means 3 or 4 days in week. For example, 3 to 4 days in week. 3 to 4 days they want to stay in home. Only 2 days they want to go to the school. It is the habit of children. See here, children often want to stay home from the school. We often see little kids with shining morning faces going on morning to school. Yes, we often see little kids. How the little kids? Sanna makkalu, chikka makkalu, maybe nursery or LKG, UKG take. LKG ಹುಡುಗರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಆಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಓದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಅನ್ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಅನ್ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅನ್ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಂಬಡಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. Without interest, somebody children are ready to go to the school. Morning faces going unwilling to the school. Unwilling means not interested. Then some of them can be seen crying when they are going to school. Yes, in your area you can see what some children are crying when they are ready to go to school. Is it? Even sometimes the children not leave the parents. Parents or mother or father, whatever you take, they are always crying before going to school. School ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ನಗ್ತಾರೆ? 50-50. 50% ಏನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ 80% is all the little kids are crying when they are going to school, when they are ready to school. ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಾಸ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೋತ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಇದಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬಂಡಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರಿಕ್ಷಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೂಟಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ವ್ಯಾನ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ. ಬಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ರಿಕ್ಷಾದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂಡಲ್ಡ್. ಬಂಡಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟು. Bundle means what? Cut over, tied. It means tied. Cut over bundle. How we bundle the something. That's like just tied the children just push into the vans or rickshaws. Rickshaw ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಾನ್ಯಾಗ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. They are bundled up in their school rickshaws or vans. It is quite natural. Yes, it is quite natural to the children. Children ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು it's common thing. It's common nature to the boy. Yes, it's quite natural because little kids don't want to leave the mother. Yes, because of what's happened, children usually the little kids don't want to leave their mother. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they don't want to leave mother. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ the children, these little kids are crying when they are ready to go to school. Is it understand what I am telling? What I am telling you, is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತಾನೆ? So, Caspilak means or ಸ್ನೇಹಶೀಲ ಅಂತ. It means friendship, just like a friendship bond. ಸ್ನೇಹಶೀಲ ಅಥವಾ what you call bond. Bond means ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾದ ಸಂಬಂಧ. Strong relation we are calling. Strong relation. See here. Caspilak. See here next. So leave the castle nap of their mothers, but some children carry this habit when they grow older. So somebody children what's happened carry the same habit. Carry the same habit when they grow older. ಇದೇ ರೂಢಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ಬೆಳೆದ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರು ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. Some children carry this habit even when they grow older. Older means ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದಾಗಂತ. They always want to stay home from school. Yes, who are continue this habit? Those children, they want to stay in home. They want to stay in home again and again. They don't like to go to school. They don't like to go to school. They want to stay in home only. They want to stay in home. That is habit. They always want to stay home from school. They invent all sorts of excuses and lies. Yes, they invent means ಆಮಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡೋದು. invent means search. Invent means what? Search. Invent means what? Search. See here. Invent. It means what? Search. For example, if you want to stay in home without reason, the parents allow you. Without reason, you want to stay in home. At the moment, the parents allow you to stay in home. No. If you are suffering something or any reason is there, the parents allow you. Yes, you may stay in home. Or otherwise don't go to school. This way the parents will tell you. Otherwise without reason ಕಾರಣ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರೋ ಮನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹೋಮ್, ಟುಮಾರೋ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಏನಾದರೂ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲೋ ಯು ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೇ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ reasons you would like to excuse. Excuse means nepa. Excuse means what here? Nepa. ಕುಂತ ನೆಪ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಲ್ಲ, ನೆಪ. ನೆಪ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಹೌ ಅಥವಾ ಲೈ. ಲೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳೋದು. ಎಸ್, ನನಗೆ headache. I am feeling not well. Otherwise, I suffering from headache. Leg is injured. So this like otherwise somebody died in my home or natives. This like just you searching the reasons. ಈ ಥರ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಪಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. When you want to stay in home, at the moment you would like to say this type of excuses or lies. Is it understand? ಈ ಥರ ಸುಳ್ಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ನೆಪಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ just you are searching. Is it right? ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನೆಪ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಸತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಜ್ಜ ಸತ್ತಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೇನು ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈನಾ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈ. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್, that's right. Somebody, students, just what's happened, they invented all type of excuses and lies. Excuses and lie. ನೆಪಗಳು and excuses and sorry ಸುಳ್ಳುಗಳನ್ನ just we are search. The children are search. See here. Tom was one such boy. He was 8 years old. He lived with Aunt Polly, his little sister Mary, and his brother Sid also lived with him. The old lady loved the children dearly, but Tom was very naughty. One Monday morning, he tried some tricks to stay home from school. Here we will read how he failed in all his attempts. Here in this lesson, one boy is there. In this lesson, one boy was there. His name was Tom. What was his name? His name was Tom. Come on, tell me what was the name of the boy? Tell me the boy name. Tom. Yes, it was the name of boy. Tom was one such boy. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ. It means they would not he did not ready to go to the school. Tom always just he decided to stay in home. Tom always he was thinking stay in home. He did not like to go to the school. Is it understand? It is also one kind of boy, such kind of boy. Tom was a such boy. He was 8 years old. What was his age? Tell me. He was 8 years old. Tom was a boy. He was 8 years old. See here. Next. He lived with Aunt Polly, his sister, his little sister Mary, and his brother Sid. So, who lived with him? Who lived with him? Where he lived? Let's see here. He lived with aunt. It means auntie. Aunt. Who is aunt here? Who was aunt here? Polly. Polly was his aunt. Polly was his aunt. Then little sister. Means the Polly little sister name is Mary. Then another one person is there. Brother name is Sid. So totally 1, 2, 3. Then plus 4. Totally 4 members. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಟಾಮ್ಗೆ 8 ವರ್ಷ. ಟಾಮ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಂಟ್, ಪಾಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೇರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಲಿ ಅವರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೇರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರದರ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿ brother he was. Is it understand? Let's see. So here Sid also lived with him. The old lady loved children dearly. Yes, the old lady, it means Paul just loved the children very much. Loved the children very much. Dearly means very much. Dearly means what? Very much. Who loved the children very much here? Polly loved the children very much. Dearly means very much. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. So here then, but Tom was naughty boy. Tom was what kind of boy he was a? He was a naughty boy. Naughty means what in Kannada? Come on, tell me. Tunta. Mischievous. Tunta. ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಈ ವಾಸ್. ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿತನ, ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಭಾಳ ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿ ಅದಾನ ಅಂತಂದು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. Who is naughty boy? That boy is not sitting in one place, always doing something. That is called naughty. Okay. Here, Tom was what kind of boy? Tom was a very naughty boy. One Monday morning, what's happened? Yes, school start from Monday. Your school start from Sunday na Monday na? Yavallinda start agadi in school? From Monday. That's like here. One Monday morning, he tried some tricks. Here, he tried. It means Tom tried some tricks. Tricks means plans. Tricks means what? Plans. He tried so many plans to stay in the home. So he tried so many plans because he would like to stay in home. What type of plans he tried? What type of plans he tried? Let's see here. Tricks means plan. Tricks means what? Plan. Upaya. Okay. Yojane. Plan. Tricks means what? Plan. Here, he tried some tricks to stay home from school. Yes. One Monday morning, what's happened? He would not like to go to school. So, he tried so many tricks, so many plans. He did so many plans. Although, what's happened? His effort was less. His effort was not worked out. His effort was not worked out. What's happened? Let's see here. So, here you will read. Here in this lesson, you will read how he failed. How he failed in all his attempts. Yes. How he failed. How he failed to stay in the home. See here. Here you will read how he failed in all his attempts. Attempt means what? Prayatna. Attempts means what? Prayatna. Yes, means effort. Attempt means what? Efforts. Attempt means what? Efforts. But he was failed. He tried so many tricks, so many plans. Although he failed. Who failed here? Tom was failed. It means all tricks are not work out. All tricks are not work out. Is it understand? See here. Here you will read how he failed in all his attempts. Attempt means efforts. Attempt means what? Efforts. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ? Tomorrow, the next class, I will continue the lesson. Okay, I will continue the lesson. Just I will ask questions. In this class, what you learned? Try to answer all. Okay, first question. So, who would like to stay in home again and again? Who would like to stay in home again and again? Yes. Children. Children would like to stay in home again and again. Yes. How do you come to school? How do you come to school? By walk? By van? How do you come to school? Yes, van. Here two vans. Van is there. What? Rickshaw. Which van mentioned here? Rickshaw. So, when the children ready to go to school, what they are doing? What they are doing when they are ready to school? Ready for school, what they are doing? Yes, crying. What they are doing? They were crying when they were ready to school. Then, what is the common nature of the children or little kids? What is the common nature of little kids? They want to stay in home. They don't want to leave their mother. Okay. Then, so if you want to stay in home, what you do? If you want to stay in home, what do you do? Yes, just you search the excuses and lies. ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನೆಪಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಯ್? What was the name of the boy? Tom. Yes. How many years old he was? How many years old he was? He was 8 years old. Who lived with him? Who lived with him? Aunt Polly, Sister Mary, and Sid. Okay. Who loved the children very much? Who loved the children very much? Yes, aunt. It means old. Old aunt. Then, what kind of boy he was? Tom, what kind of boy? Yes, silent. Or, what kind of boy he was? He was a naughty boy. He was a what type of boy? He was a naughty boy. Here, so one day what's happened? He would like to stay in home. What he did? Yes, he tried so many tricks. He tried so many tricks. His tricks were workout or not? Yes, his tricks were not workout. So his all efforts were failed. His all efforts failed. Did you understand? Okay, children. See you in the next class. Write down the homework. Write the difficult words from how much completed still. Then read at least one page. You have to read this page. You have to read this page. Read and write. This is your homework. Is it understand? Okay, children. See you in the next class.